Today, I want to talk about 7 foods that contain virtually zero sugar and zero carbohydrates. And this is important because most of the foods people are eating today are loaded with carbohydrates. In fact, the average person consumes over 60% of their daily calories from carbs. That's a massive amount. Excess carbohydrates are one of the biggest drivers of chronic disease. Things like diabetes, obesity, insulin resistance, fatty liver, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer metabolism. So if you want to improve your health, reduce inflammation, and stabilize blood sugar, you need to understand where carbs come from, what they do in the body, and which foods don't contain them. What are carbohydrates? There are 3 types of carbohydrates, and this is where people get confused. 1. Sugar. This includes glucose, fructose, sucrose, syrups, and hidden sugars in processed foods. Sugar raises blood glucose and insulin very quickly. 2. Fiber. Fiber is technically a carbohydrate, but it does not raise blood sugar or insulin. Fiber actually slows glucose absorption. Fiber is not the problem. 3. Starch. This is the most misunderstood carbohydrate. Starch is simply a long chain of sugar molecules. Once it enters the body, it breaks down into pure glucose. Refined starches, like bread, pasta, cereal, crackers, and flour, can spike blood sugar even more aggressively than table sugar. Modern grains are also heavily processed. They are bleached, preserved, and stripped of nutrients. On top of that, grains contain gluten, which many people cannot digest properly, refined starch, residual sugars. This combination puts a huge burden on the pancreas and drives insulin resistance. Does the brain need sugar? You hear this all the time. Your brain needs sugar. That statement is not entirely true. Yes, the brain can use glucose, but it can also use ketones, which come from fat. If carbohydrates were essential, humans could not survive without them. Yet people on low-carb and ketogenic diets often experience better mental clarity, better focus, and reduced inflammation. There is no such thing as an essential carbohydrate. If your body needs glucose, it can make it from protein and fat through a process called gluconeogenesis. Your body is designed to run on multiple fuel sources. 7 foods with zero sugar and zero carbs. Now let's get into the list. 1. Pure fats. Pure fats contain zero carbohydrates. This includes butter, ghee, olive oil, coconut oil, cod liver oil, animal fats. Fats do not spike insulin, and excessive insulin is at the root of most chronic disease. 2. Meat. All unprocessed meats contain virtually zero sugar and zero carbohydrates. This includes beef, a lamb, pork, chicken, fish. Meat provides complete protein, essential amino acids, zinc, iron, and B vitamins, without disturbing blood sugar. 3. Organ meats. Organ meats are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Liver, for example, is loaded with vitamin A, active form, B vitamins, iron, copper, choline. Despite all these nutrients, organ meats contain negligible carbs and no sugar. 4. Eggs. Eggs are extremely low-carb and essentially sugar-free. Egg whites contain zero sugar. The yolk contains nearly all the nutrition. Egg yolks provide choline, critical for the liver and brain, fat-soluble vitamins, antioxidants that protect the eyes. Eggs are one of the safest foods for blood sugar. 5. Shellfish. Shellfish contain very small amounts of carbohydrates, but their nutritional value is enormous. Wild-caught shellfish provide a zinc, essential for immune function and hormone balance. Selenium helps counter mercury. Trace minerals in highly bioavailable forms. Oysters are at the top of the list, especially for zinc. 6. Raw or traditional cheese. Cheese contains minimal carbohydrates and does not spike blood sugar. The best options are raw cheese, sheep or goat cheese, traditional European cheeses. These provide high-quality protein, calcium and phosphorus, vitamin K2, which prevents calcium from building up in arteries. Many people feel very good consuming these cheeses. 7. Very low-carb vegetables. These vegetables contain tiny amounts of carbs, but the fiber prevents blood sugar spikes. Examples include spinach, arugula, lettuce, kale, Swiss chard, bok choy, zucchini, celery, cucumbers, mushrooms, cauliflower. Cauliflower is especially versatile. You can mash it, roast it, or cook it with butter or cheese. Herbs like garlic, thyme, sage, and pepper contain negligible carbohydrates and don't need to be restricted. If you base your diet around these foods, you dramatically reduce insulin resistance, blood sugar instability, chronic inflammation. Most chronic disease today is driven by excess refined carbohydrates, not natural fats or proteins. When insulin goes down, the body can finally heal. Like, subscribe, and share for more health-related content.